So the vision of Technopark is basically to foster industry-academia collaboration. So we provide a platform for industry to work with us to one, promote translational research, two, to co-develop new technologies, and three, to take ideas and patents to the market. So we invite industries to partner with us to set up your R&D bases here. We already have 6 companies here who have set up their bases. We especially invite medium, small and micro enterprises to set up your bases here. We have flexible engagement models to suit your specific needs, and I've found that being in Kanpur, we have found that there is a lot of interest from the local industry for IIT Kanpur to help them. They have a lot of expectations from IIT, and we would be very happy to work with you to help solve your problems. So while Technopark is technology agnostic, we would like to lay specific emphasis on sectors such as defense, cybersecurity, life sciences, healthcare, energy, sustainability engineering. With IIT Kanpur being identified as one of the knowledge partners of the Bundelkhand Defence Corridor, we are very keen to partner with companies to develop indigenous defense technologies. While we are looking at industry, we also would like to bridge the gap between theory and practice. So as part of this effort, we are involving our students to directly interact with industry, to understand the industry problems, to even help them address it. So I would look at Technopark as one of the nodes in this complex knowledge network of industry and academia, and we really hope to boost industrial productivity in the country, help the economy grow to the $5 trillion mark. And I think with the kind of talent and skills that we have available, not just within IIT Kanpur system, but with all the industry, the knowledge that is there, I'm sure that is possible. Thank you.